I'm proud to say that Michigan has been my home my entire life. I love the lakes, the forests, the hills, the cities, the people. There's a lot of great things in this state, and it's very accommodating to many different cultures and minorities, people of all ages and all walks of life. But unfortunately, it has not been very open to one community, a community that I'm a part of, the LGBT community. And we crave the equality that everybody else experiences. And right now in Michigan, it is a very important time for people like myself, because our futures are being determined by the stroke of a pen. Right now there is a court case being deliberated over in our Supreme Court regarding a same-sex couple having children and wanting to be recognized as a legitimate family and receive the same benefits and marriage equality that most families receive. And it's going to determine a lot of things for people in the state, and it could quite possibly determine the outcome of marriage equality in many other states as well. I know many people in Michigan, along with myself, are hoping that the Supreme Court sides with marriage equality and overturns the ban on marriage equality that was established back in 2004. Most people in Michigan have changed their minds since then and believe that marriage equality is very important. If marriage equality is legalized, nothing would make me more proud than to marry the one I love in this state. This state that has given me a home my entire life. If you are still skeptical about marriage equality, I urge you to consider this. Think of all the people you may know in your lives. People who are a part of the LGBT community, whether they be coworkers, friends, or family members, all of which that are denied the right of marriage equality, the right that you have. It's more than us just receiving the same benefits. It's about our love being acknowledged the same way that yours is. We all are human, we all have hearts, we all have the same capacity to love and provide for another person. Legalizing marriage equality would be very beneficial for Michigan in many ways. Not only would it make it seem like a more welcoming place for people, but it would also enhance our economy and help bring Michigan out of the doldrums that we've been experiencing for so many years. The federal Supreme Court is right. It is time to embrace marriage equality, and it is time for Michigan to embrace marriage equality. Please sign the petition below and help in our quest for marriage equality, and keep spreading the word and spreading awareness. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good night.